Good, distribute. That's right. We can't just solve these because there's 1 here, right? So it doesn't equal 0, so we need to distribute. So that's going to be 4x squared plus 4x equals 1. So that's 4x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0, right? Now we can factor this or just throw it in the quadratic. Which one do you want to do? Factor it? Alright, might not be factorable, but we'll do it. 4x and 4x plus and minus. And 2 things that multiply to be 4, but they subtract to be 4. Is that possible?
No.
Oh, okay. So, factoring isn't going to work. So now let's go and do the quadratic, right? So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright. B, A, C. Don't forget, it's a -1 for C. It's a -1 for C. Okay? So these 2 make a negative. 2 negatives make a positive. So I got -4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 16 all over 8.
Wait a minute.
Right? And then what is 16 plus 16? -4 plus or minus the square root of 32 over 8. So then I just break down 32. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. There's 5 2's, right? Now I'm going to pull out 1, 2, and leave in a 2. So I've got -4 plus or minus 4 square roots of 2 all over 8. So what goes into 4 and 8? How many times? So -1 plus or minus square root of 2 all over 2, and that's it.
Oh, God.
That's a neck. Hold on. Isn't it 2 root 8 instead of 4 root 8?
I never understand the differences between bottle of water.
Don't question it. I already wrote it down. No, but I already wrote mine down.
Why would it be?
Because the square root of 4 times the square root of 8
Where are we at?
is 32.
Box of water. 100%.
Exactly. It's so the square root of 4 is not equal to the square root of 4.
It is. A cardboard box is better than
What?
The square root of 4 times the square root of 8 is the square root of 32.
The square root of 4?
Yeah, the square root of 4 times the square root of 8 is equal to
Not
the
really.
square root
It's
of
just a
32.
shame.
Yeah.
And then you take the square root of 4, which is 2. So then you're left with 2 times the square root of 8.
Well, why wouldn't you pull out, what's the square root of 4 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2?
Why are you doing it like that?
Well, because what's 2 times 4?
8.
Oh, so you're not reducing your quadratic enough. Or you're not reducing your radical enough. Because you're right. 2 square roots of 8 is equal to 4 square roots of 2.
Why'd you slurp like that?
Think of it like this. 2 to the 5th to the 1/2 power. What's 1/2 of 5?
Oh,
Okay?
oh wait, so it is 4 square root.
Of course it is. And I'm not just saying that because I'm the teacher and I'm always right.
You're always wrong! Don't even start it.
Alright.
Aces isn't as fun as close.
I happen to be right this
Don't
time.
really do anything.
I guess a lot.
Do anything
I'm a
with
good
that.
guesser.
Go.
When we went to Florida, we just
2x squared minus 7x minus 15 equals 0. Right? I am. Alright. Is this factorable? Do 2 things multiply to be 30 and subtract to be 7?
You dumb with Hildebrand?
2 things multiply to be 30, subtract to be 7. What?
10 and 3.
You're
10 and 3? Then this is factorable. Okay? So, we can factor this out. 2x, 2x. We got a star variable of 2, right? And then this is a minus. This tells me it's a plus, right? Because it's different. And then I've got the product is 30. The sum is 7, and I'm subtracting. And you said 10 and 3. So that's 10 and 3. So the only thing is a 2, right? So I got to pull out a 2. And I pull out a 2, I get x minus 5. And I pull out a 1, and I get 2x plus 3. Then I solve for 0. And I get x equals 5. And opposite over the number. Okay? And that is the homework.